To my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade corn silk tea. So if you want to find out how to make this wonderful tea and all the benefits, so stay tuned. To make this tea, I'll be making use of fresh corn. So I'm going to peel the corn. I'm going to remove the corn silk from the corn, and also while removing the corn silk, you can notice that the tip of the corn silk has been exposed to dirty, so I would like to cut it out. When I'm done removing the corn silk, so I'm going to add it into a water and wash to remove any dirty. Washing, I will set aside. So in a pot, I have 2 cups of water. So I'll be adding the washed corn silk and grated ginger. Then I'll cover the pot and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. After boiling for about 5 minutes, the tea is ready. You can turn off the heat and allow it to cool before straining to get the tea. So when the tea has cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the tea. To my research, corn silk tea contains several minerals like potassium, calcium, vitamin B2, C, and K. It can be used for treating mild bladder infection. It will help to regulate high blood pressure, regulate blood sugar, and also good for weight loss. You can enjoy 2 cups of this corn silk tea a day. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.